Hi everyone, it's Kim Mays, and today for your photo tip of the day, we're going to be using Lightroom Classic to super enhance your skies. So as you can see here, I've brought up a photo that I took at the park this week, and it's kind of drab. There's not a lot of color here, and I really want to enhance the photo. So today we're just going to focus on the sky, nothing else. And what I'm going to do is go into my masking tool. So you'll see the cursor head over to that little round bubble. We're going to click on that, and then a little pop-up will come with sky. That's the one that we want to choose today. Okay. And in a second, it's going to highlight the whole sky in a red tone. There it is. Now, underneath the mask, you'll see add and subtract. That's if maybe some of the trees or something I wanted to remove some color, I can subtract or I can add. We're not going to worry about that today, though. We're just going to leave it as is, but I'm going to show you this awesome section under Effects. And we're going to use these two sliders, Clarity and Dehaze, and you are going to be amazed. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring up the clarity quite a bit, and I'm just bringing out the detail in those clouds. You can already see a change there, a little definition there. Now, here's where you're going to see a massive change. In the dehaze, if I bring this slider up, look at all the color that's already coming out in the clouds. Now, if I wanted to go even farther up on that scale, I could make this look like a really rainy or dark day. I can bring a lot of mood to it. Look at that. But we're not for this particular photo. I'm just going to bring it kind of midway up there. Right? Just so we have something to play with later when I'm working on the rest of the photo. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Now, there are other sliders that you can play with in the future as well. I can play with the exposure or the highlights or the shadows, especially if I wanted to take some of that, maybe that dark tone under those white clouds. I can play with my highlights a little bit. But for now, we'll just play with those two, Clarity and Dehaze. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to close this mask out. I'll hit close. And I'm going to show you a side-by-side so you can see what a drastic difference this is just by playing with that. So you hit those double Y's down there, and it gives you a before and after. And look at the change. And that took no time at all. I know some of you are beginners, and Lightroom Classic might be really intimidating in the beginning. But if you take one little piece of information like this at a time and play with it, it gets easier and easier. So there is a lot of parts, but that's what I'm here for. So have fun editing, play with some skies, and if you have any questions, drop me a line. Have a great day, everyone, and if this was a helpful video for you, be sure to like our page. Have a great one.